Tank Nerds, Lottie here again. Feeling really good actually, for like first time in a long time. Still got this annoying little cough. Now, the title of this video is not clickbait. We have moved workshop. This is where the workshop was, all surrounded by timber now, so you can still see the helicopters in the background. So, yeah, we moved. Why? Couple of reasons. Firstly, it is incredibly dusty here. So behind those helicopters are a new trucking mob, and they've just been driving their trucks in and out, and it's just created so much dust. And it likes to blow pretty much straight in here, so not great. Second is actually the exorbitant amount of timber that is currently everywhere. So originally the plan was, when we were going to expand, we were going to go that way, and all that timber was going to go somewhere else. Not happening, and instead more timber is coming in, and we need to kind of put that here, so it's already sort of encroaching in on the territory. So for reference, as I'm pointing, that used to be our boundary right there, and now all the timbers sort of come in just for the lockup. So yeah, a little bit sad, a little bit choked up that we're moving, but in this move we have lots more space to play with. Still a little bit of dust, but not as bad as here. I think it was the best move. But yeah, can be sad when, what is it, one door opens, another one closes, or something nonsense like that. Anyway, let me show you the new workshop. So we've moved to the other side of the warehouse. It's just a lot easier. Instead of moving all of this timber somewhere else, which was going to be over there, basically what we ended up doing is just moving over there, and now all the timber is going to move to where we used to be. And so we've now expanded horizontally a lot more than we have vertically. So now we can park all of our vehicles in single line, which is so much easier to work on. You'll see in a second. Yeah, so that's sort of like the long and the short of it. I have good feeling about this week. We've been really knuckling down getting the work done despite having to move, and I think it's gonna go really good. So let me give you the quick tour right now. So we still have Pete, the metal worker, not my Peter, other Peter. So he's still currently in that space at the moment, and he does really cool metal work stuff. I'll just quickly show you some stuff. If you're really interested, let me know, because I do believe these are all for sale. So yeah, he's got really cool metal art. There's like a stingray in there, bird, makes all these cute little doodads. So yeah, if you're interested, I don't know, shoot me a thing. Also, he does fences, which is really cool. Anyway, let's keep going. My car is under there. We've moved the Bren gun, so it's actually accessible now, because we are going to have to try and do that in a timely fashion. That will be we are working on that, but we need to really knuckle down and get the ferret going. We'll talk more about that in a second. But as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to have something else there once I sort out what's going on over there. So yeah, we'll have quite a lot of cars in here, and we just generally park in the front here. So they're currently doing work over there. Hopefully we're getting bathrooms back over there, because right now I have to walk all the way over there to go and get work done. Right, the workshop tour begins here. So we actually managed to secure a couple more extra desks for free, which are really cool. This one's actually really dirty. I'm really loving it, which is why I decided to put my toolbox next to it. So yeah, we got some good little workspace here. These are the backrests for the ferrets because we need to get them repadded, so that's why they're sitting here at the moment. My toolbox, fan, we've got our 2 spare engines. Here is our office area, which is really cool. We've got all sorts of interesting stuff. We've got our fridge, we've got our microwave and a little oven. This is our spare parts rack. So we've got like Bren gun stuff on the bottom, ferret stuff on the top, and then this is just sort of like whatever. All of our consumables, all of our paint stuff. These are just the internals of the oil air cleaners for the ferret. And over here, we've got a sort of makeshift painting booth. This is all the stuff that needs to get painted silver for the ferrets. We're going to have to take these in as well. We need to get cushions made up. This is the gearbox for the white ferrets. As you can see, I've been busy painting a lot of different things. I'm really happy with it so far. So yeah, there's Peter. So yeah, still working on that on the weekends, but this one, you will notice a lot has happened. So the radiator and fans have been plugged in, as have all of the plumbing. Sorry, sneezed. So yeah, this is now officially a running vehicle. We'll talk more about that on another video, but yeah, this is officially a running vehicle now, and we are doing the rear hubs and brakes, which are annoying, but it's all coming along together nicely. So the fronts are done. We just need to put the wheels back on. The insides, unfortunately, I have had to do a little bit of removal of stuff, namely the batteries, because we need to get to the handbrake leads, which unfortunately the ones on the back are just really hard to get to. So yeah, again, talk more on that in another video. Here's the fat field artillery tractor. Yeah, it's coming along. We've still got all new canvas. So here's like the old canvas, all torn and stuff, and here's all the brand new stuff, which is really cool. So we've got all brand new canvas. I'm gonna turn the light on. So yeah, we got all new canvas, which is really cool. Truth be told, we haven't done anything with the Bren carrier, but it will be really good once we sort of get stuck into it. But we have more pressing matters, and of course we've got my car, which is a 1971 MGB. The only reason it is parked here is because, and I'm not really going to talk more about it right now because currently not happy, my bonnet has been in an accident. So the insurance is paying for it, but they are being, well, insurance companies. So yeah, not happy about that. That will probably be its own video too, when I work up the courage to make that video. More spare parts for our Bren gun. If anyone is looking for sprockets for Bren gun, let us know, because we have lots and we recondition them, which is really cool. And yeah, we've got so much spare parts for these things. So yeah, if you are interested in Bren gun parts, let us know. We might have something, but we would prefer to finish the restoration so we know exactly what we need. But last I checked, we don't need that many sprockets. So yeah, if you're hunting sprockets, let us know. We've got them, and they're all in actually like really good nick, which is quite nice. And yeah, we clean them like that. So yeah, oh, and I should of course mention newest members of our family. They're just mannequins that I had lying around. I believe from the museum way back when. Yeah, we've managed to find a good home for the compressor, which is really nice, and a whole bunch of other sort of oddities. I have been told that the backing of Dunnies will not be here. There is supposed to be like a motorcycle workshop coming in next door. Regardless, these are actually like really clean, and I'm happy because they clean them really well and actually leaves a nice little smell rather than the putrid smell that you would come to expect. And yeah, all of our workspace. It's really annoying because this was actually super clean, but on the weekend we came in and put some hard yards into getting the back on this done. Yeah, I think that's good enough for a quick little video tour of the new workshop, even though it's basically the old workshop, but stretched with a little bit of extra space. We do plan on expanding even more in the future, but we sort of need to get rid of 2 projects, so we're just gonna sort of knuckle down and get those done, and you guys like hearing about that, so that's probably what the next video is gonna be. Cool. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.